Hey guys, what's going on? So today we're going to be talking about something that we use for baby proofing the house. So these are called CUTESAFETY adjustable sliding cabinet locks. They come in a 10-pack. If you guys would like some more information, just be sure to check my video description for that. So this is what they look like. I just want to show you guys what I use them for. This is my bathroom vanity. So I do have like some cleaning products and like makeup that could get broken, things like that underneath. So I want to make sure my son, who's walking all over the house and loves opening the cabinets and taking things out, can't get his hands on anything. So, I mean, he can open the drawer. So unfortunately, these kind of locks only work for some, like for knobs that are close together. So they would not work for the bottom piece, but this is the piece he's more likely to get into. So these are inexpensive adjustable sliding cabinet locks. 10-pack, they tell you how to use them and they're super easy. Adjustable sliding cabinet locks, durable and high quality sliding cabinet locks, chemical free, 10 non-toxic child-proof latches. They are lab tested, environment friendly, durable product, perfect for keeping children and pets out of your cabinet. So if you guys have pets that get into things as well, like dogs or anything, this is good for that as well. Because God forbid you have, they're so good to have, because God forbid like you have cleaning products like, and your dog or your child accidentally eats them and you have to call poison control. It could just be a big mess and very scary. So tells you the installment instructions. Attention, if the distance between two door handles exceeds 5 inches, this latch is not usable. But they work for, because my knobs in my kitchen are very close together like this. So they're perfect for like the kitchen cabinets and stuff like that. Buttons are to be simultaneously pressed. Sliding mechanism enabling to adjust desired length up to 5 inches, which is like really hard for a child to figure out. Figure 2, press buttons simultaneously and simply slide the latch in order to get desired length. Just place the lock on closed cabinet doorknobs or handles and slide the bar until the lock is tight and cannot move any further. To remove, simply pinch the 2 buttons together with your fingers and slide it off. So I'm going to show you guys. So these are plastic, and each latch is good for like two cabinets. So this is 2 cabinets here. 1 latch is good for 2. So a 10-pack is perfect. If you have a lot of cabinets, maybe you have to order 2. But like I said, they're like inexpensive. So you just, and this is like, my son would like, it would take him forever to be able to figure this out. So it's really easy to use. Sorry, I mean, want to use like 2 hands, but you can see like I just slid it up and down to like the desired length. And like I said, like you kind of need 2 hands to do it. So, you know, you guys could see it's very easy to unlatch, but it's going to be hard for a child to figure that out. So these are good to have, and it's a must. If you have kids, you know, I definitely suggest child-proofing everything because they get their hands on things. And, you know, even if it's not like a cleaner or something that could be harmful to them, they can get into your things and break them. And maybe you just like, there's things you just want to, you know, not have your child get their hands on. These are perfect. So I definitely suggest getting them. If you're a new parent, you won't need them for a while, but I would put them on your registry because by the time your child is walking and able to get into everything, you will need these. So easy to install and remove. No tools, screws, magnets, tapes, adhesives, and drilling needed, so it won't leave any damage on your furniture. 2 steps to installation, can be removed easily without leaving any marks behind. That's another thing I like because some of the cabinet locks have like an adhesive on them, and then it's like, you know, it could leave like a residue or like a mark or a stain on your cabinet, and nobody wants that. So it's easy adult access. Sliding design makes the locks more flexible, easily unlock with only 2 fingers pressed, extremely convenient for adults. Adjustable long U-shaped design, 5 inches long. A U-shaped latch can be adjusted to suit for knobs or handles with different distances. Works well with mushroom-shaped knobs and D-shaped handles. multifunctional feature, makes it easy to baby-proof coffee table doors, media consoles, dressers, cupboards, closets in your living room, bathroom, bedroom, and kitchen. Stylish and slim design, smooth surface of the latch prevents hands from being hurt. So of course it's not going to work on like a doorknob like this. My son can still like get in and out of the room, but for cabinets and stuff like that, or anything you have, any piece of furniture you have that has the two knobs close together like this, it is perfect for that. And 10 is definitely a good amount. So that is kind of locking together 20 cabinets. So if you guys have more cabinets than that you want to lock with these kind of knobs close together, you might want to get like a second box. But this 10 pack was perfect for me. So guys, this is the video for the CUTESAFETY adjustable sliding cabinet locks 10 pack. I hope you guys found the video useful. And if you did, please feel free to leave a comment. Thanks guys, and have a great day.